Madam Bece used 1/4 and 2/3 of her acres of land to cultivate mangoes and oranges respectively. A. Express in terms of X the number of acres of land she used to cultivate I. Mangoes, II. Oranges. Now let's see. For the A, we just take the fraction for mangoes, that is 1/4, and multiply it by X to get 1/4 of X, or 1/4 of X. Then II, we take the fraction for oranges, that is 2/3, and multiply it by X to get 2/3 of X. Now B, if Madam Bece used 20 more acres of land to cultivate oranges than mangoes, find the value of X. So in this case, it means that 2/3 of X is equal to 1/4 of X plus 20. Now, this is very simple for us to solve. We look for LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12. So we multiply each term by 12. In this one, 3 will cancel 12, 4 times 2 is 8x, 4 will cancel 12, 3. 3 times 1, 1 times x, that gives 3x. And here, 20 times 12. But since you're in JHS and you're not using calculator, don't worry yourself multiplying. Just keep it as 20 times 12. Now, we then group the like terms. So we have 8x minus 3x equals 20 times 12. Now, this gives 5x equals 20 times 12. If we divide both sides by 5, we get 20 times 12 divided by 5. 5 will go itself 1, it go into 24. 4 times 12 is 48. It means that x equals 48. So we have 48. Now, C. How many acres of land were used to cultivate mangoes? So we just take 1/4 of 48, and that gives us 12 acres. Now, D. Calculate correct to the nearest whole number the percentage of the land that was not used. In this case, we have to find the fraction of the land that was not used and change it to percentage. So here, if we consider the whole land as 1, then we will subtract the fraction of land used from it. And the fraction of land used is 1/4 plus 2/3. So here, 3 will multiply 1, 3. 4 will multiply 2, we get 8. And 4 multiply 3, we get 12. You can also use other method to solve for 1/4 plus 2/3. So here we have 1 minus 11 out of 12. And this is simply 1 out of 12. So this is the fraction of the land that was not used. So let's change 1 out of 12 to percentage. You simply multiply 1 out of 12 by 100%. This will give us 100 divided by 12%. Now, we reduce this to 4 will go here, 3. 4 will go into 100, 25. So we are now going to change 25 out of 3 to decimals, since we are to correct our answer to the nearest whole number. So let's see, by using long division. We have 25 divided by 3. 3 will go into 25 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. If we subtract, we get 1. We put a point here and we put 0 here. 3 will go into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 will give us 9. That will be 1. So it will continue and continue and continue. So we are going to have D as 8.3%. The answer to the nearest whole number is 8%. Please kindly like my videos, like and follow me.